Today, we bring you one of the most anticipated sports cars of the future, the all-new Toyota MR5 2025. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. A blend of sharp innovation and legacy performance, the MR5 is Toyota's bold return to the world of lightweight, driver-focused machines. Right from the front, the MR5 demands attention. It sports ultra-slim LED headlights, integrated seamlessly into a low-slung nose that screams performance. The sculpted hood has functional air ducts, hinting at the beast that lies beneath. Toyota's designers have clearly aimed for minimal drag and maximum aggression. Move to the side, and you'll notice the MR5's low stance and sharp lines. The car sits on 19-inch forged alloy wheels with red brake calipers peeking through, a subtle reminder of its power. The side intakes aren't just for show, they channel air directly into the mid-mounted engine, keeping it cool even under hard driving. The roofline flows effortlessly into the rear, enhancing aerodynamics and giving it that exotic car profile. Under the hood, or rather, behind the seats, lies the heart of the MR5. Toyota has equipped it with a turbocharged 2.4-liter inline-4 engine, producing an estimated 320 horsepower. Paired with a lightning-quick 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, the MR5 launches from 0 to 60 in under 4.5 seconds. Rear-wheel drive keeps the experience pure, giving drivers the control and feedback true enthusiasts crave. Step inside, and the cockpit embraces you like a proper sports car should. The dashboard is clean, focused, and built around the driver. You'll find a fully digital instrument cluster with customizable displays, a minimalist center console, and bucket seats that hold you tightly during spirited drives. Soft Alcantara, brushed aluminum, and carbon fiber touches give the cabin a premium yet purposeful feel. One of the most exciting things about the MR5 is its dedication to the driving experience. There are no distractions here, just you, the road, and the machine. Toyota has included a dedicated track mode that sharpens throttle response, adjusts suspension damping, and even tweaks the exhaust note to let that turbocharged engine sing. Safety and tech haven't been ignored. The MR5 comes with Toyota's latest suite of driver aids, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and blind spot monitoring. But unlike most modern cars, these features don't overwhelm you, they support you, quietly in the background. The rear of the MR5 is just as dramatic as the front. A full-width LED light bar stretches across, with aggressive vents and a functional rear diffuser below. Dual exhaust tips sit wide apart, hinting at the car's balanced stance and wide track. And let's not forget the active rear spoiler that deploys at high speeds, improving downforce and stability. Toyota's engineering team has focused heavily on weight reduction. With an aluminum and carbon fiber composite body, the MR5 weighs just under 1,300 kilograms. The result: exceptional agility, razor-sharp handling, and a driving experience that feels alive at every corner. Now, let's talk about sound. The MR5's exhaust has been tuned to deliver a throaty, aggressive tone that builds with the revs. It's not artificially enhanced, what you hear is pure, mechanical music, exactly what a sports car should sound like. Whether you're downshifting on a mountain road or revving at a stoplight, the MR5 makes sure you're smiling. Even though it's a modern marvel, the MR5 pays homage to its predecessors. Enthusiasts will recognize design cues from the original MR2 and MRS, the low stance, the mid-engine layout, the no-nonsense interior. Toyota hasn't forgotten its roots, and that's what makes the MR5 special. It's a spiritual successor, not just a name slapped on a new body. In terms of pricing, Toyota is aiming to make the MR5 accessible. While it's not cheap, it's expected to undercut European rivals like the Porsche Cayman and Alpine A110, offering more performance per dollar. Toyota knows its audience, drivers who want thrills, not just badges. Fuel efficiency might not be the first thing you think of with a sports car, but the MR5 surprises here too. With advanced engine tuning and lightweight construction, it delivers a respectable MPG, making it practical enough for weekend road trips or even daily commutes, if you can resist the temptation to floor it at every green light. And yes, Toyota is also working on an electric or hybrid version. Though the initial 2025 release will focus on the pure combustion model, insiders say that an electrified MR5 is already in development, blending eco-conscious tech with thrilling performance. From every angle, the Toyota MR5 2025 is a triumph. It's a car built for drivers, not algorithms. A car that values balance, feedback, and connection over excessive horsepower and gimmicks. In a world full of soulless machines, the MR5 is refreshingly analog, with just the right touch of digital where it matters. So, is the MR5 the top trending car of 2025? We think it absolutely deserves the spotlight. Toyota has reignited the fire of driving passion, and we're here for it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews, test drives, and car culture content. This is ZenWheels, where driving meets clarity. And remember, the best roads are the ones that bring you peace behind the wheel. Until next time, drive smart, stay curious, and keep it Zen.